Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing a very special cigar. This is the Montecristo Linea 1935, which is a line, and this specific cigar is called the Dumas. I'm going to make a confession and say that I've already opened this box and smoked two of the cigars before making this video because I just couldn't resist. But anyway, let's show you this box. Now, this cigar is a 49 ring gauge cigar by 5¼ inch long, medium to full body, as most Montecristos are. And this is a special line from the Linea line, and as of that, it comes in a very nice packaging, which I'll show you soon. So the outer cardboard box as follows. It's got over here the date. The date is May 2018. So these are relatively vintage, or I would say not vintage, they are aged, drop aged. Anyway, let's open this up and have a look. So now these boxes come with, a velvet cover. Let's just remove the other box and I'll show you what it looks like. They come in a velvet packaging. You can see the same logo as before, and it's wrapped all the way around, again with the Habanos logo in the back. Let's open this up and take out the box. And there you have the box. The box is made out of lacquered box with Montecristo in like a 3D print on it. It has the 20 Dumas over here, and in the back it does not say anything else, just literally just has a sticker with a date, and again the same thing. Let's open this up and have a look. So you're first greeted by one of these cards that tells you all about the cigar, like they do in the special cigars. Then you have the cedar wood, and there they are, the beautiful cigars, triple band. I've spoken about this in a previous video once before. Really nice. 49 ring gauge, 5¼ inch length, and these are medium to full body. They come in boxes of 20, so there's 10 on each shelf. As you can see, attention to detail, there is the Montecristo name engraved into the golden hinges, and overall these cigars are a real joy to smoke. And I have from the other lines as well. I'll make an unboxing of those as well, but overall I really like and enjoy smoking these. And the beauty of these cigars as well, they're not limited, they're not numbered, which means that there's more of them. Obviously they're not cheap. These were bought for around £850. I think it was 1,000 francs in Switzerland, which is again not cheap, but compared to the UK prices it's much cheaper. But nonetheless, they're not limited, so you can always buy more and enjoy them, and I think they're doing quite well for Montecristo, so I hope that they continue releasing this in the years to come. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.